Before I can replace the sensor filter from the CO or NO sensor, I must switch off the Testo 340 and disconnect it from the mains. To open the instrument cover, I undo the screws. I can then open the clip in the direction of the arrow and remove the service cover. I pull out both hose connections on the left and right of the sensor and remove the sensor. Now I remove the spent filter from the sensor and put a new one in. When replacing the filter, I need to make sure that all markings match up and I avoid touching the sensor electronics. Then I insert the sensor back into the slot and connect the sensor to the hose connections. Finally, I put the cover of the sensor compartment back on and close it. After replacing the filter, I need to reset the ppm hour counter in the instrument. This is done via the menu item Sensor Settings, ppm hour counter, and then Reset.